I can't see, so I gotta get y'all. Come over here, baby. Should I start it over?
Start that beat up. Let me get fucked up, roll that weed up. What you smoking, dog? Bet I'm smoking dog some super strong. What you doing, man? I'm getting all these bitches on my love. What you doing, bruh? Yeah, I'm getting stacks, though. What you talking about? I'm getting money, you lag, though. What you talking about, man? I see you talking all that shit. I represent. Yeah, I know I do this shit. What you talking about, man? I'm getting money, I'm stacking it. Go ahead, represent a white boy doing the shit. Yeah, I'm killing it. What the fuck you know about? I get money, I stack it up, and I laugh at you lanes, bruh. What you talking about, though? A white boy with some damn flow. I kill you, bitch, and I kill the flow. And I tell that bitch, lay low, kill that bitch, I'm 6'5". Yeah, you know I rap that. Go ahead, pull that 4-5, I'm gonna guarantee I'ma knock you out, lay you down. Go ahead, I do the shit. Guarantee you ain't never met nobody again. Kill the shit. Doing that.
Who that there would be me, Cotty Line, 27 Dodger. Yeah, I throw bombs, I'm a cool nigga. I got a lot of violent ways. Don't make a nigga do something cause I do not wear braids. No fade, dread like nigga. Get off on your head quicker than a motherfucker say goodbye. Hold up, who's me, stand high. 2 fingers, I hold them like these 3 L's that I represent. Kill a motherfucker with this flow, no one even need a motherfucking flow. Hold up, I can't even speak straight, don't know what to do. It's hard to communicate, cause I'm so goddamn strange. I like to take it to your face. Woman race with the straps, that's what I usually do. But now I knock a nigga on his ass. Bitches get the slap, you know who it is. Cotty Banaga, 27 Dodgers, this shit on the motherfucking quickness. Don't know what to do, don't need no witness. This motherfucking season to be doing sick shit. Like if I was Brother Lynch, but it's time to take a pinch at these pussy niggas. Push me, nigga, we can see where it go. Don't know what it is, I've been walked a lonely ass road. Exposed nothing but the truth. Slap a nigga out his boots. Don't know what it is. Cotty Banaga speaks so fucking true. Oh, what's up to my brother D-Dub plus my cuz Top Dollar. Hold up, who's that hard to making dollars? This get so fucking hard, nigga. Baby mama's giving me so fucking problems, but it's nothing. I'ma let it keep on going. Niggas be bluffing. Who is that? I'm like stuffing good and for your feelings. Don't know what it is. I knock your bitch up out the ceiling. Who's that? The nigga with the fat dick that make your chick go crazy. Didn't know what it was. Extra waves off in my head, nigga. But it ain't nothing like wearing that, nigga. I take it all the way to the front, bring it to the back, like the chick did. Nigga, we got shit that's just so crazy. Don't know what to do. She doing 380s, trying to suck dicks. Don't know what to do. She turned tricks, got bit in the whole program. Lost her goddamn name. She got so damn toe down. Hold that, it's hard to pronounce things that I done been through. I'm like against to cut you up real quick. I just do it on the cool nigga. Throw my 2 fingers back there.
Hold on.